Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Eero router settings before firmware updates. Complete guide step by step clearly. To back up your Eero router settings before performing a firmware update, begin by opening the Eero. Ensure you are connected to your Eero network for full access. Log into your Eero account if you are not already signed in. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you can see your network status and devices. Tap on the settings gear icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down to find the network settings option and select it. Within the network settings, locate and select advanced settings. Here, you will find the option to back up your settings. Tap on backup settings to initiate the process. The app will create a backup of your current router configuration. Wait for the backup process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the backup is finished, you will receive a confirmation message. Make sure to note where the backup file is stored if prompted. This backup will ensure you can restore your settings if necessary after the firmware update. With the backup completed, you can now safely proceed with the firmware update process. After the update, if issues arise, return to the settings and select the option to restore from backup. Follow the prompts to upload your saved configuration file. This ensures that all your previous settings are reinstated quickly. You are now prepared to manage your Eero network efficiently while safeguarding your configurations during firmware updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.